Hey guys, I'm back again for another video, and this video is going to be for the tape measure. So hopefully this helps you guys out. So right now, the warehouse is finally working. I decided to grab a finger from your warehouse. Right now, I'm just scrolling to the top to find out what point I actually want to measure. And right now, I'm just rotating so you guys can get a better look at everything. And basically, as you can see, I have the measurement right there, which is also in the right hand corner. But if you move up and down, the line measurements does change before you even click to end the point. You can also click escape to actually break the point so that you don't sit over here. And basically, as you can see, I can measure point from point. It does not matter what direction it all gets measured. You can also type in measurements that you would like to measure. If you feel as though a shape is not the right size, you can resize it and then measure it as well. It's all up to your preferences. And now I'm just playing around with the guidelines on your site. And basically, you can also erase these guides with the eraser tool, or you can go up to edit and just clear them all. This is a great tool, even though it may not seem as exciting as the others. This tool is able to measure length and distance and show you basically the measurements of your object that you have made. And basically, I'm just playing with the measurement tool. And if you're working from group or component, it's best to double click. And you can measure from any line to any line. So hopefully this helps you out with your project. So right now I'm just going to rotate my figure. And I'm just zooming in. As you can see, I have the guideline set right there from one angle to the next. And I have clicked. And basically that's how my 3-up SketchUp was working. So now I'm just going to the warehouse again to show you that you cannot measure people with a tape measure. You can't resize them or anything because of how they're already made in the warehouse. And that's one thing I was trying to show you guys, but however, the search wasn't working again. It was having problems and technical difficulties all day today. So that's one thing you can actually not measure. It's like change the measurement of it, which is people. Other than that, everything is able for you to change, measure, or you to help work with as well. So hopefully this helped you guys out with your project, and maybe I'll see you in there. Bye.